Alright folks, buckle up because the AI world just got a whole lot more interesting, and maybe a little scary. Imagine finding out that one of Google's top AI guys, a 17-year veteran, just jumped ship. And where did he go? TikTok. Yes, you heard that right. The company known for viral dances is now poaching top AI talent from Google. This isn't just a career move, it's a seismic shift in the AI landscape. We're talking about Dr. Woo Young-hui, a Google fellow, basically AI royalty, now leading ByteDance charge into the future of artificial intelligence. So, the big question is, what does this mean for Google, for TikTok, and for the future of AI? Is Google losing its edge? Is TikTok about to become an AI powerhouse? Let's dive in and find out. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. Dr. Woo Young-hui, a name you should probably remember, has officially joined ByteDance, TikTok's parent company. He's not just any hire. He's heading up the seed fundamental research team within ByteDance's large-scale model division. And get this, he reports directly to ByteDance CEO Liang Rubua. This seed fundamental research team is like ByteDance's AI moonshot program. Their goal? To explore innovative paths to general intelligence. They're talking long-term, aggressive research, pushing the boundaries of AI. We're talking about stuff that's potentially uncertain but could revolutionize the field. Think cross-team collaboration, open research environments, and, of course, tons of computing power. They're focusing on things like large-scale reinforcement learning, world modeling, next-generation learning paradigms, and even designing AI specifically for next-gen hardware. This is serious stuff, folks. This is ByteDance signaling they are playing for keeps in the AI game. Now, let's flip the script and look at this from Google's perspective. Losing a Google fellow, especially one of Dr. Woo's caliber, is a major blow. These are the people who are shaping the future of Google's AI. It's like losing your star quarterback right before the Super Bowl. It raises some serious questions about why he left. Was it about money? Was it about opportunity? Or was it something deeper? Was he disillusioned with Google's direction? Did he see a better future at ByteDance? Whatever the reason, this departure sends a message, and it's not a good one for Google. It suggests that perhaps the most cutting-edge AI research isn't necessarily happening at Google anymore. It opens the door for other companies to attract top talent and potentially leapfrog Google in the AI race. So, what exactly is ByteDance planning? Well, they're not just building another social media app. They're clearly aiming to be a major player in the AI world. Hiring Dr. Woo is a huge step in that direction. It's like adding a rocket scientist to your team when you're trying to build a spaceship. His expertise and leadership could significantly boost ByteDance's AI capabilities, making them a real threat to the established giants like Google, OpenAI, and DeepMind. Remember, ByteDance already has some impressive AI models under their belt, like Goku and OmniHuman 1. Some reports even suggest that these models have outperformed some of OpenAI's offerings. With Woo on board, ByteDance might accelerate its AI advancements even further, potentially leading to more innovative and powerful AI solutions that could disrupt industries across the board. Let's get a little technical for a moment. Dr. Woo is heading the seed fundamental research team, focusing specifically on AI for science. This is a rapidly growing field that uses AI to accelerate scientific discovery. Think about it. AI can analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and even generate new hypotheses that humans might miss. For example, AI can be used to design new drugs, discover new materials, or even predict climate change. This is where things get really interesting. ByteDance isn't just trying to improve TikTok's algorithm. They're trying to use AI to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. To achieve this, they'll likely be leveraging techniques in areas like Gaussian processes for uncertainty quantification, reinforcement learning for experimental design, and generative adversarial networks, GANs, for creating novel scientific models. One relevant paper to consider is Accurate Uncertainties for Deep Learning Using Calibrated Regression by Kindle and Gal, which highlights the importance of uncertainty estimation in scientific applications of AI. This move is going to intensify the competition in the AI field, no doubt about it. Google, OpenAI, DeepMind. They're not going to sit idly by while ByteDance tries to steal their thunder. They're going to have to step up their game. This could mean more investment in AI research and development, more aggressive recruiting of top talent, and a greater focus on innovation. Ultimately, this competition is good for the field. It pushes everyone to be better, to develop more cutting-edge technologies, and to explore new applications for AI. It's a bit like the space race of the 1960s, but instead of reaching the moon, we're racing towards artificial general intelligence. And the stakes are just as high. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to think about the ethical implications. Who controls these AI systems? How are they being used? What are the potential risks? These are questions that we need to be asking ourselves now, before it's too late. For example, imagine ByteDance using its AI to personalize content on TikTok. Sounds harmless, right? But what if that personalization leads to filter bubbles, echo chambers, or even the spread of misinformation? We need to be vigilant and ensure that AI is used for good, not for harm. This requires transparency, accountability, and a commitment to ethical principles. Okay, let's play devil's advocate for a second. Is this move really as significant as everyone is making it out to be? Some might argue that it's just one person switching jobs. Google has plenty of other talented AI researchers. ByteDance still has a long way to go to catch up to Google's AI capabilities. And maybe Dr. Wu just wanted a change of scenery. There's a valid argument to be made that this is all just hype. However, the contrarian view doesn't fully account for the symbolic importance of this defection. It's not just about one person. It's about the message it sends. It's about the perception that ByteDance is a serious contender in the AI race. And perceptions can be just as important as reality. Now, before we get too carried away, let's talk about verifying some of these claims. We've heard reports that ByteDance AI models are surpassing OpenAI's in some areas. But how do we know if that's true? Well, one way is to look at publicly available benchmarks and datasets. These are standardized tests that are used to evaluate the performance of AI models. By comparing the scores of ByteDance models to those of OpenAI's models, we can get a sense of how they stack up. Another way is to look at peer-reviewed publications. If ByteDance is truly making breakthroughs in AI, they should be publishing their research in reputable journals. This would allow other researchers to scrutinize their work and verify their findings. We need to be critical thinkers and not just blindly accept everything we hear. So, what does the future hold? I think this is just the beginning of a new AI arms race. We're going to see more and more companies investing heavily in AI research and development. We're going to see more and more talent shifting from one company to another. And we're going to see more and more breakthroughs in AI technology. This is going to have a profound impact on our society, our economy, and our lives. It's going to create new opportunities, but it's also going to create new challenges. We need to be prepared for both. We need to be informed, engaged, and proactive. We need to shape the future of AI, rather than letting it shape us. This is our responsibility. How will Google respond? That's the million-dollar question. They can't afford to ignore this. They need to reassure their employees, their investors, and the public that they are still at the forefront of AI innovation. One possible response is to double down on their own AI research and development. They could announce new initiatives, new partnerships, and new breakthroughs. Another possible response is to acquire promising AI startups. This would allow them to quickly bolster their AI capabilities and bring in new talent. And a third possible response is to focus on their strengths, such as their vast datasets and their expertise in areas like search and advertising. Whatever they do, they need to act decisively and send a clear message that they are not giving up the AI crown. Let's not forget TikTok's unique advantage: data. Millions, billions of data points generated every single day by its users. That's a goldmine for training AI models. Think about the possibilities: personalized content recommendations that are so accurate they're almost psychic, AI-powered marketing campaigns that are incredibly effective, and even AI-driven product development that anticipates consumer needs before they even realize them. This data advantage, combined with Dr. Wu's expertise, could give ByteDance a significant edge in the AI race. They could potentially create AI models that are more accurate, more efficient, and more relevant than anything else on the market. Ultimately, this story is about more than just one person switching jobs or one company trying to gain an advantage. It's about the future of AI and its impact on our society. AI is going to transform every aspect of our lives, from the way we work to the way we communicate to the way we entertain ourselves. It's going to create new opportunities, but it's also going to create new challenges. We need to be prepared for both. We need to be informed, engaged, and proactive. We need to shape the future of AI, rather than letting it shape us. This is our responsibility as citizens, as consumers, and as human beings. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Dr. Wu's move to ByteDance is a wake-up call. It's a sign that the AI landscape is shifting, that the competition is heating up, and that the future is uncertain. We need to pay attention to these developments, to be critical thinkers, and to engage in the conversation about the future of AI. What do you think about all of this? Is Google losing its edge? Is TikTok about to become an AI powerhouse? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future updates. Thanks for watching.